Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a super fun school craft. I'm sure many of you have made this before, but let's do it together. You just need one thing, a square piece of paper. If you don't have one, no problem. Just cut a square from any A4 sheet or use paper from an old notebook. First, fold the paper into an X shape, corner to corner. Open it up, then fold again to make a small square. And yes, fold once more to make an even smaller square. Take your time, don't rush. This is the fun part. Now, open it gently. Look at all those little folds. So pretty, right? Here comes my favorite step, drawing. I'm going to draw some cute little pictures in each triangle. You can draw anything you like. Animals, fruits, smiley faces. Be creative. Now, I'm coloring them with my favorite shades. Adding color always makes crafts look extra happy. Take your time to make it neat, or go crazy with colors, it's your choice. Next, we write something under each flap. Maybe numbers, lucky colors, or funny dares. I'm writing a few silly ones. This is the part that makes the game so much fun. And that's it. Our paper fortune teller is ready. Let's try it together. Choose a number, choose a picture. Oh, this one says, do a silly dance. So much fun. I hope you enjoyed making this with me. If you have ideas for what I should draw or write next time, tell me in the comments. I'd love to try them. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cute crafts. See you next time.